Hey loves, we're back with another video, and this time this is kind of a semi DIY organization for your planner inserts and planner pages and planner accessories that you have a large amount of and you just don't know what to do with them, and they're kind of all over the place. So I wanted to kind of give you a quick video on how I'm using this system to keep my inserts and planner pieces and accessories organized and protected at the same time. So with further ado, we'll just jump right into the video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for all the love and support. And if you guys stay to the end of the video, I will show you a quick tip on using outdated planner inserts so that you feel that you are not wasting your money. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So here it looks like there's a bunch of planners, but 3 out of the 5 were actually planners that were never used, and the other 2 are just systems that I had put in place to keep myself organized. So I'm going to quickly go through each and every one of them just to show you what I've done. Now this planner was I think it was a dated planner. This is one of the mini planners that was dated. I believe it was 2016, 2017, I'm not sure. But if you guys know the cover, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I think this was the Peonies planner. So anyway, it wasn't used. This was a planner that was given to me. It wasn't something that I had purchased. So I kind of felt bad because it was just a whole planner just like gone to waste. And I said, no, like, we're not going to be wasteful. We're not going to, you know, be disrespectful to our planner community. So what I wanted to do was kind of use this in a way that I felt, you know, was going to serve its purpose and make me feel better about not wasting a planner. So with that being said, I went ahead and took some of the dividers from the actual planner and I just trimmed down the tabs. As you can see here, I trimmed down the tabs and I kind of just put 2 of the dividers together to make a front and a back. And I decided that this was going to be like a cover for the planner before I even thought about using the actual cover to the planner, because I was going to use that for something else. But what I did was I just turned it inside out, and because the dots really like caught me rather than the whole floral thing. So anyway, so I did that, and then this is just a book where I am now storing all of my inserts, like the note sheets, graph papers. I made here's another divider that I just put together, so just to kind of cover up the monthly page. Didn't want that showing, so I did that. And then here are some of the expense tracker sheets that I trimmed down, and then this was just the extra portion of what I've trimmed down. And we are not going to go to waste. We are going to use our planner stuff that we spent our hard-earned money on to its full potential. So I went ahead and trimmed off the tabs to these dividers as well, because I figured I can use these whether I want to cut out the quotes or fussy cut out the prints and use them in my actual spreads. I can do that, or I can use them as subdividers in my existing planner and just add a tab to the side or to the top of the page. So again, we would cover this up just so that it can be nice and pretty and we wouldn't see that back of the monthly calendar or whatever. So that's that there. So we have several of those there. And then I just am housing some of my unused planner pages from my on-the-go mini that I'm currently using. So this will get me through till December of 2018. And then we can move on to a new planner. And then behind that, we are just storing some of the what is this, pocket pages. And then here I have just another divider. And again, here I have the choice of cutting out these little sticky notes and this note selfie thing and adding that into my inserts, or just keeping this as such, as a divider or a cover, because you can go ahead and laminate these too if you want to. So those are those little tidbits here for you guys, if you have any extra inserts or whatnot. And then I have this planner here that is actually an undated planner. I actually started like dating the tabs, and when I realized I wasn't going to use it, I just said, you know what, it'll serve its purpose at some point when I need another another planner. But for right now, this one will just get stored with other planners that I don't need to use right now that are undated. So, and then I have this one here. This one was actually a dated planner as well. I didn't start getting to use this until May, so there were some inserts that were not used, so I have a plan to repurpose those inserts as well. But this is just I don't know if you guys saw a few videos back where I had talked briefly about my book reading log and stuff like that, where I actually had this in my on-the-go mini planner that I have now. But since I just decided to take that out of there and kind of give this its own destination, this is where I go to when I want to jot down my notes to help me kind of remember what the book was about and stuff like that, and just keep track of the books that I want to read. And I thought it was cute because it had the reading glasses on it, so that's the purpose for this planner. And then we have this guy right here. I did not have another planner that I needed to kind of repurpose or whatever, but what I did do was go ahead and buy the disc. I was about to say rings, but we know that those are discs. So I went ahead and purchased I think these are the classic size disc, and I had a bunch of these dividers that I'm not really currently using right now, so I kind of just left it as like a cover for this book here. And this just houses all of my inserts for my classic size, and I just kind of created this little I was going to use this as a cover at first, but then I didn't want to go through the whole laminating process, so I just left it there because it's sparkly and it's cute. And here we have just the expense trackers. As you can see, before I actually put this book together, some of the pages were getting ruined because I just had them sitting in a magazine holder and they were getting crumpled. So we have our expense trackers half sheets there. We have our note half sheets there, which I have a ton of, which I don't need to replenish anytime soon. And I might have to just go ahead and use the expander ones for this one, or turn this into a second book, so I don't know. And then I have some of these little sticky note pads here that I use but not too often. And then I have some more dividers, which can also serve as a cover for the back. And then here I just have another one of those folders, and these are my unused planner pages for my classic planner that I am currently using as my YouTube planner. And then in the back of it, I just went ahead and inserted the ones that I already took out of my planner so that I can free up some room in that planner. So you guys let me know if I should keep this as one whole book, or if I should go ahead and separate the two, keep this one as a half sheet, and then this one just as for my inserts, or should I just keep it together? Let me know in the comments below what you guys suggest, and we'll get into the next book really quickly. And I'm sorry for all the movement. Again, I'm on my tablet today, so just bear with me, guys. So again, here, same thing, but the classic rings. Oops, not the classic rings, the classic disc, sorry. And for those of you who might be wondering why I said oops, because the rings are the ones that are in the A5 planners, like the binder rings, and these are discs because you can move your pages in and out quickly. So anyway, here we have the pocket page, and again, I'm just housing some of my note paper, graph paper, another divider, and my hourly day sheets, and some of the Project Go sheets that I use quite often. I do not need to buy any more of these hourly day sheets because I have a ton of those, but I will need to replenish on the Project Go sheets, so I will make a reminder of that. And as promised, since you guys stayed to the end of the video, and then here I forgot, we just have like this back cover here, so it serves as a dual purpose. It's a folder and a cover at the same time. So as promised, I wanted to share with you guys a quick tidbit on what to do with your unused, outdated sheets or planner pages. I cannot take credit for this. I saw this on, I think it was either Pinterest. Don't mind the coffee, I spilled some coffee. I found this, either it was on Instagram or Facebook, one of the Facebook groups, I'm not sure. But what I saw her do was she had cut out all these individual spaces and used it in her planner spread for the week. So that would be a quick idea for you guys to use. Or you can go ahead and trim off this note section here and just have that, you know, insert that into your planner page or whatever, just for a quick reference or a note that you needed to jot down really quickly. Again, also, I know a lot of us don't kind of use these pages here, so another tidbit is to just kind of trim down, or just cut this part out that says this month, and I think I have it here like this. And you can either put this on your monthly spread, or you can put it on your list, like the things that you need to get done for the month, and you can just use this and kind of glue it onto your page or whatever. Or like I said, you can just go ahead and cut out the little quotes itself and use those in your planner pages. And the reason I wouldn't go ahead and try to like redate all of these unused papers is because I just feel like it's just too time consuming, and that's not something that I want to do. So I mean, I would just rather go ahead and get a planner, or like I have planners that I can use that are not in use right now, but to me, I wouldn't go ahead and take the time to do that if I know I'm not going to use the planner at all. And I kind of just like you know, took out what I wanted from it. And again, this was a planner that I did not buy, so I don't mind too much that a lot of this is going to go to waste. But for those of you that, you know, that have issues with it and don't want to feel like you're wasting your money, those are like quick ideas for you to go ahead and just you know, kind of get your money's worth, I guess. But thanks for staying to the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. You guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to let me know what I should do with that other book. Should I keep it as one whole book, or should I split it into two? Or if you have any suggestions or video ideas that you would like to see, please feel free to leave those in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so that it lets you know when the next video is up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until the next one, see you later.